Hello everyone, today I'm showing you how to make my ice cream cake pops. It's easier than you think it is to make. So I'm going to show you two methods of making the cake bowls, one with the cake pop maker and one without. So if you have a cake pop maker, then I've got some vanilla cake batter. You can use chocolate or strawberry. I'm going to pipe my cake batter into the cake pop maker, leave it on for 4 to 5 minutes. It's usually that's how long it needs to get cooked, and you would take out the cake pops once it's done and leave it for it to cool down. So if you don't have a cake pop maker, you can always make it without it. The recipe and quantities for this is given in the description box below. Take your baked cake, crumble it up really well, use your ganache or buttercream and mix it up really well until it's nice and smooth. Once you've mixed it up well, take a little bit of your mixture and then roll it in your palms to form the cake ball. Leave it in the fridge for about half an hour for it to firm up so that it doesn't just break while you're using it. So for the cone, I'm taking the cone and scoring it around so that it's easier to break it to the size you want. Just core and then just break it like that. Sometimes it would break really perfect, but sometimes it would leave that small tiny piece just to annoy you, but be patient and do it. It's worth it at the end. I'm just checking here if the size is right, and it looks alright. Now I've got latte glass filled with sugar so that I can stick my cake pop and it doesn't fall off until the chocolate sets up. So here's my melted chocolate, and I'm gonna dip my cone in the chocolate and then place my cake ball on my cone and then let that sit in the fridge for about half an hour. Now make sure you really wait for that to set up, because if you do not do that and you hurry this process up, then this will happen. And then you'll have this look on your face. You will see when I'm dipping the cake pop itself in the chocolate that thinning down the chocolate does really help, because if you don't do that, the chocolate will be just too thick, and it will just pull down the cake ball and it will surely come out. So there you go. Now just set them all up in the fridge, and as you can see now it's set, and I'm gonna dip my cake pop now in the chocolate. Let the excess chocolate drip and then set it aside on the latte glass so that it firms up. One more of how it's done, and there you go. So as you can see, my cake pop is now firmed up, the chocolate, and now I have some white candy melt. You can use white chocolate or colored chocolate as well, and I'm just going to use my straw and just make it look like a little bit of chocolate is dripping from the top of the ice cream cone, and then I will be using a little bit of some sprinkles and then sprinkle that on top. So here I've got some colored fondant, and I've made some small balls out of it in different colors. You just take it and place it right on top, and there you go. There is your cute cake pop. Let's see another one of how it's done. Now this is a must try, because I do not know of one kid who did not like it. I've made this many times, and then the first thing the kids go to is always these ice cream cone cake pops. They, as you can see, they're really cute, and kids can make them too, so why not try it at home? And who does not like ice cream? So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you like my videos, and I'll see you next time with another recipe.